Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel and hope you are all doing well. Today I am come up with Shingo, Sango, drumstick. So we call it Shingo, Mhaskache Sango, and I have taken around 4 drumsticks and I have removed the side green part. You can grate it or you can just take a knife and then just do like this and then it comes like this. So okay, so like this only you have to remove, and I put it in water, washed it nicely. And the other ingredients very simple it is. So I have taken one red onion and one white onion. You can take either any one. So red onion, also 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of coconut, grated coconut, and turmeric powder, salt to taste, oil for frying. So let's start. So now here oil is ready for frying, and now we will add our onions to this. And we don't have to fry it for long, just saute this. Now we'll add a sango to this, shingo to this, whatever see the name, however you pronounce. We call it shingo, Mhaskache Sango. In English it is drumstick. Add this. Now we'll add our turmeric powder. So I am taking 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we'll mix and salt to taste. That's it. This is the only masala. So salt to taste. So in Goa, in our houses, we prepare this sango like this. Now we'll add water to this. And we'll keep this for cooking till the shingos are done. I will add the chili also in this. And 1 cup of your measurement or 1 glass, steel glass of water into this so that it gets nicely cooked. And we will cover this now and cook this, and then later we will add our coconut. So chili is also gone, salt, turmeric, and now we'll cover this and cook this. So cover this and cook this on medium flame till the shingos are nicely cooked. So now at this moment we will add our coconut, grated coconut in this. And few red chilies, Kashmiri red chilies, break like this, and you can just add into this. And now we will cook this open lid, like we won't put a lid over here, and let it get nicely done till the water is all reduced. Now why I added coconut now at this stage, so that the coconut also gets nicely cooked in this. If you grate it, if you garnish it later, then it will be like raw coconut. But again, it's up to you how you want. This goes very well with plain rice. And how you come to know that your shingo is cooked? Because the color changes from green to this color. So we know that it is cooked. So as the water is getting reduced, our shingo is done. So my shingo is done, and my drumstick in English. So now I will just put off the gas and just serve it and eat it. So it's nicely cooked, it's done. I can, it's like it's cooked here. So I am ready to go in my plate. Thank you for watching this simple, easy, quick Shingo recipe in Goan style. Thank you.